Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this blush from the brand REALHER, the Power Wear Blush in the shade Not Your Average. And this is a really cute brand because they always use positive affirmations on their products. And I got this in my October 2021 Ipsy glam bag. So this is just a sample size, but pretty decent sample size, I'd say. And it looks like such a pretty mauve shade that also looks like it has a little sheen to it. So if you have not seen my unbagging video yet of my Ipsy glam bag for the month, I'll have that linked in the description down below so you can see all of the products I got. And I also love that this little sample size came with a mirror. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. Oh my gosh, that has such a buttery texture. Wow, I was not expecting it to feel like that. Oh, beautiful. It definitely has like almost like a metallic finish with that shine and great pigment. It looks a little bit more true pink, like a pinky purple in the swatch. So I'm excited to see how it's going to look on my cheeks. But also I want to let you know that this is cruelty-free, vegan, and it says it has antioxidants in it to protect your skin from environmental aggressors. It's a clean beauty product. And all right, I'm going to pick up a blush brush. Since it seems pretty pigmented, I'm picking up a larger blush brush that is not too dense because I want to be able to not do too intense of a bright pink cheek. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit of product, tap off some excess there, and let's see how it looks. See, like, this has so much pigment on it. I don't want to have, like, you know, clown cheeks, but that's hard for me to not achieve because I always go in with such a heavy hand with the blush. But, well, we can definitely see the color from this. And it actually looks pretty matte on my cheek. I was expecting to see some glow, but no, very matte, but a very smooth, undetectable texture. And what do we think of the shade? Not my most flattering. I'm very picky with the shade of my blush because I have so much redness in my cheeks naturally that I don't want it to look like redness in my cheeks. And I'm afraid that this one looks too much like redness, like irritated skin, like the type of redness that I try to cover up. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. I'm gonna go ahead and try and go in with a little bit of a lighter hand on this side. But I'm also finding that this is very difficult to blend. Like where I stick it initially on my cheek is where it's kind of staying. And yeah, seeing it on this cheek also, even trying to go in with a lighter hand, it's just not my favorite shade of pink on me. But definitely pigmented. And yeah, on this cheek also, very matte. So yeah, I'm not crazy about this. I do like how smooth of a texture it is on the skin, like so undetectable. But everything else about it I'm just not a big fan of. The color, how it's not super easy to apply. It's like too pigmented that you can't even go in with a light hand. It just sticks right on. So I like a lot of the REALHER products, but unfortunately this one is just not gonna be a winner in my book. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I'm so picky. So if you like this shade of pink, I think you might really like this blush. Dexter is barking really loud. I'm sure you can hear him. But if you have tried out any other shades of this blush. I'd love to hear your thoughts on them, and I'd also just in general really like to hear your thoughts on this blush. Like, did you find it hard to blend out? Did you find it to be a good shade for you? I would just love to hear your reaction to it as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.